Dear students, in this class we are going to talk about what do you mean by multi-start threads. The word multi means many and starts mean beginnings. So every threads have its own starting point. Depending upon this starting point, we can classify the threads into different categories. So let's examine what are that types of categories. Okay. Depending upon the number of starts, threads can be mainly classified as single start and multi-start. Single start thread is mainly used for general purpose application, whereas in the case of multi-start thread that are mainly used in speedy fastening or fast action purpose. So multi-start threads again classified as double start, triple start and quadruple start. In the case of double start, it having two starting points. This figure shows, this diagram shows it having a two starting points. This is the end view of the screw threads having two starting points. In the case of triple start. In the case of triple start thread, it having three starting points. This figure shows, this symbol is number of starts are 3. So this is triple start thread. And finally, this is a quadruple start threads. That means this figure shows it having 4 number of starts in equal intervals. This is called, this is first start, second, third and fourth. So it is a 4 started threads. So it is called quadruple start. And there is a relation between lead and pitch. Every start there is a relation between pitch and lead. See next, what is the relation between pitch and that lead? Okay. Now let's examine in the case of single start thread. The term, this is the term marked here, that is pitch. Pitch is marked here. Now this is the term lead. Lead is marked here. Before going to that, we have to once again repeat. I will repeat. What is the term pitch? Pitch is the distance between two consecutive crests. That means the uppermost part of the thread is called crest. So the distance between two consecutive thread is called pitch. Here that pitch distance is given, that is 3 millimeter. Now what do you mean by lead? Suppose this is a bolt and this is nut, and it having a pitch 3 millimeter, having a single start. That means it having only one starting point. When net is engaged with the bolt, when we have to rotate the net in one complete revolution, the net will advance on a bolt. That advancement distance is called lead. That means lead is the distance advanced by a net on a bolt in one complete revolution. That is the term lead. Here in the case of single start thread, this pitch and lead are same. That means pitch, if the pitch is 3 millimeter, so our lead is also 3 millimeter. That is the relation between, in the case of single start thread, pitch, there is a relation between pitch and lead. That relation is, in the case of single start thread, pitch equivalent to lead. That is our relation. This is the end view of a threads. Here we can draw it start, the start having only one. That means this is the single start thread. Here the relation, that relation is pitch is equal to lead. Now we have to move on. What do you mean by single start? Double start thread. Now let's examine the case of double start thread. This figure shows it is a double start thread. At the end view, we can see that there is a 2 starts marked here. This is first start, this is second start. Here there is a relation, that is this term is called as P, that is pitch, and this is lead. There is a relation in between pitch and lead in the case of double start. That relation is expressed in this mathematical way, that is P is equal to 2 into lead is equal to 2 into pitch. That means suppose our pitch is 3 mm, when that time it having 2 start, its lead is 2 into pitch. That means lead is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6 millimeter. That means in the case of double start thread, if pitch having value of 3 mm, then that time lead should be 6 mm. That means double of pitch is equal to lead. That is the double start thread. Next move on to triple start thread. This figure shows this is the triple start thread. Here in this end view, we can see that there is a 3 starts. This start 1, start 2, start 3. That means start 1, start 2, start 3. Here there is a relation between pitch and lead. The pitch is same as in the case of first or second, that is 3 mm. But the lead is triple of pitch, that is thrice of pitch. The lead distance is thrice of pitch. In the case of triple start thread, lead is equal to 3 into pitch. That means 3 into 3 is 9 is the lead. Okay. Now what is the case of quadruple start thread? Now let's examine in the case of quadruple start thread. This is figure shows a quadruple start thread. This is end view. End view having 4 number of starts. Similarly, at its front view, there is 4 number of starts is marked here. This is pitch, same as in the case of first. And what should be the lead? This is lead. That means in the case of quadruple start thread, we having 4 number of starts. The pitch, there is a relation between pitch and lead. That relation is expressed in mathematically. That means lead is equal to 4 into pitch. That means 4 into 3. Pitch is same as 3. In the case of earlier example, so 4 into 3 is equal to 12 millimeter. So we can formulate a general formula to find out the lead. Suppose in the case of single start thread, we use a formula. See, in the case of single start thread, there is a relation between pitch and lead, that is pitch is equal to lead, because it having only one starting point. In the case of double start thread, there is a relation between pitch and lead, that is lead is equal to 2 into pitch. In the case of triple start, we have to formula for find out the lead is equal to 3 into pitch. In the case of quadruple, lead is equal to 4 into pitch. That means number of start into pitch is equal to lead. Number of start into pitch is equal to lead. So we can formulate a general formula to find out lead is equal to number of start into pitch. If number of start is equal to 1, then pitch is equal to lead. If number of start is equal to 2, then lead is equal to 2 into pitch. If the number of start is equal to 3, then lead is equal to 3 into pitch. If the number of start is equal to 4, then lead is equal to 4 into pitch, and so on. So we have to complete what do you mean by multi-start threads. Okay.